Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, also known as My Dear Forensic Lady, chapter 43. So here it is. Let's read the story. Is you what to educate right now? Song Yu Hang. She's been thinking so hard. Contact the primary and secondary school of Junction City. Begin with the word education immediately, including high schools as if there are students who did not go to school today. Officer said yes, following the command of Song Yu Hang. Back now. Here it is. Forensic Dr. Lin came into the scene. She was walking through the room, and she will go and speak to Officer Song right now. Well, it seems that she looks not okay. Looking at her face, she looks really pale. Also, right now, everyone was suddenly surprised. She really forgot to wear a mask. Everyone seems to be surprised when looking at her. She seems to be look exhausted. And Dr. Lin came inside. Where's my seat? She is asking the officer. The officer said, there you go. Well, looking at it, right now Song Yu Hang looking at her. She seems to be puzzled. Dr. Lin, she looks really exhausted. Forensic Dr. Lin, why are there injuries on your face? Didn't you notice that Captain Song also had some inconspicuous injury on his face? Right now, the other officer was talking about them. He should. Well, they're really thinking. Things have done on the other night. I heard that Captain Song's blind date is Forensic Lin's cousin. Says that. Say and watch what you see. Look at the case file. Why are you staring at me? Well, right now, looking at Dr. Lin, she was losing her patience. Suddenly said, okay, go ahead. Forensic Dr. Lin talks about the autopsy result. Right now, Song Yu Hang is giving them instructions. Forensic Dr. Lin now will discuss about autopsy result of the victim. Dr. Lin, she was holding the identification report right now. And looking at her face, seems to be not in good condition. Maybe because of the wound she inflicted on herself. To take the scar right now, seems that it was not good for her. Right now, it was really shocking that suddenly she will fall down. Looking at her, Officer Song right now, she was really surprised and rushly moves toward her. She want to carry her, lift her half, back again. Well, this is really the exhaustion. Everything's happened, especially duel between the two of them. Maybe the wounds are not still healing. Also, her body is not good. The man was there. Suddenly, they become surprised. Dr. Lin, she was falling on the floor. Gradually, Officer Song carried her. Officer Song announced that she will get her to the hospital. You guys can continue. Well, looking at Dr. Lin, seems to be not good. Her body is weak. Also, she led Officer Song to carry her. Back on the road, Officer Song is rushing through. Even though it was a red light, she's still going through. Well, she was really exhausted. Especially, it was Dr. Lin right now, having unconscious. Every time she is checking the situation, the fever will go down. Well, it turns out she was not really in the good state. That's why she really fall down on the meeting. Officer Song, she said to herself that Dr. Lin right now, she feels so hot. She actually worked like this while sick for a whole day. Well, this is it. Means that she was really dedicated to her work. That's why even though she was sick, she chose to work full day for the case. And then, when I pick her up just now, Didn't expect her height and long legs. Well, definitely she was right. Almost the two of them are the same heights and weight. But that's all. Right now, Officer Song said to her. Suddenly she stopped. It's been a red light, but still, she wanted to push through. Well, the officer's song. She is getting crazy. Also seems that she is panicking because until now, Dr. Lin is not waking up. She was still unconscious until they reached the emergency building. Officer Song put her on the bed. After that, a lot of doctors came in. Now they need to check Officer Lin. Why suddenly she fell unconscious on the floor. Right now, looking at Officer Song. Doctor, what is her illness? It is serious? Don't worry, it's not life-threatening. Let's Miss Lin take the rest first. I will arrange someone to do other checks on her later. It was because of the high fever and was very unconscious, maybe a little bit of pneumonia. So it was like this. Has a high fever and a little bit of pneumonia. Right after checking Dr. Lin, all the doctors went out. Sir Song said to them, "Thanks for your hard work." Now, she got her phone. When she see the message, it turns out it was a police reminder that she was overspeeding when she was driving today. Well, a little bit punishment for the officer's song like her. Well, she really panicked today. Officer Song said to herself, "This time, I broke the law." Well, she really it is. She broke the law because she was panicking the condition of Dr. Lin and she really wanted her to go to the hospital as soon as possible. That's why she took a risk to get an overspeeding and breaking the rules, running to on the red lights. Well, she was waiting for her to wake up. She was looking at the condition of Dr. Lin. Well, right now, maybe she realized she looked straight on her. That Dr. Lin was really on the other side, even though she was really curious about her. Especially Dr. Lin, she is a lot tricky. But right now, Officer Song, she really cares for her. That's why she stayed for her, taking care of her. She put the cover off. She was looking at her. Probably Officer Song will stay off her till she will wake up. Hey guys, the scene is getting better. So, we can see a lot of things in the next episode. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!